In today's digital era, human life is very dependent on related to computing technology. The Ministry of Agrarian Affairs and Spatial Planning or National Land Agency, as one of the government agencies providing public service, is currently improving to develop electronic-based land service. Up to now, the electronic system for land service in Indonesia has not been fully and maximally implemented. This is due to limitations and delays in utilizing technology to transform into an electronic system. It is necessary to transfer media from analog land document to land document ready to be electronic in a massive manner. One of fastest ways is to emphasize the role of community participation and land partner as system users in the media transfer process. Seeing the current conditions, a land service is needed can be used and accessed by all users online without face-to-face. This is also in line with the implementation of health protocols and the prevention of spread of the coronavirus disease 2019. The land service counter can be implemented through digital counters. The NFT refers to as virtual land counters. By taking advantage of the current development of Industry 4.0, of course, the virtual land counters that will be designed by the Ministry of ATR BPM can apply artificial intelligence technology. Tensorflow framework with object detection API and CNN algorithm can play an important role in designing the intended concept. In this study, research studied the change in the land book and measurement book formats since they were first published in 1960 until now. Furthermore, the researcher will use it as input for training data on system. The detailed research stage begins with collecting data in the form of image and spreading them as training data and test data. Then, the pre-processing of the image is carried out by means of the binarization and thresholding. The next process is segmentation and normalization. This is done to separate part of the object and the background, and to reduce the image resolution in order to improve recognition accuracy. The data is then used as training data as TFR record. Then to the label map configuration and pipeline training for neural network training. The training result model will be used to identify objects using the Tensorflow object detection API framework. Next is the stage of object labeling and classification based on the year and type of object. This analysis is carried out in the verification stage of land document upload to virtual land counters. The verification and validation process is carried out through machine learning automation using by framework Tensorflow Object Detection API. So, the process of rejecting and accepting document will be carried out automatically. Based on the results of research and testing of the system that has been built, it can be concluded that the Tensorflow Object Detection API and CNN framework can be implemented to build a system that can detect to classify objects. In this case, land document in the form of land book and measurement book, testing the level of accuracy in detecting land document object based on the type and year classification of each page. The results show that the older the document insurance, the smaller of accuracy level of object detections. Can be concluded that the overall accuracy rate of object detection is 87.3%.